Hi everyone and welcome back to my final morning report charts appraisal on Monday the 6th of June with me, Richard Pro Market Analyst at Antec Markets. And let's get a look at gold. And again, another chart which has had a huge move against the dollar. Big rally, about sort of 36 bucks, 38 bucks. It's a really strong move, and it's rallied all the way to the 23.6% fib level. Started to consolidate, but I think generally speaking, this is going to mark a bit of a turnaround for gold. Look at the stochastics breaking higher. MACD lines are about to cross over, move higher. I think generally speaking, this is a pretty positive move. Once again, I'm going to stress that I think it's within the range. I think the bottom of the range held reasonably well between sort of 1190 up towards 1208 was the old support. You sort of basis of support within that band around 1205 and then pulling higher. So I think you're sort of seeing the formation of the key lows within this sort of trading range, and I think ultimately we're going to push back higher, maybe now back towards 1260. That would be sort of the natural area, I think, which is the first line of really where the resistance starts to come in properly again. I think we could easily see that. Now, after strong candles, you do quite often see retracement moves, and seemingly what we've seen today is a little bit of a retracement, sort of $4 down on the day, nothing too significant. And here we go on the hourly chart where you can see that little minor retracement. Nothing too significant, but I think you now start to look back again at the next key support levels. So you're looking at sort of 1233.60 initially, which was a big breakout, and the late May high, and subsequently below that 1224. It's sort of between 1223 1225 really, but 1224 because that is an old sort of pivot line that you can see consistently holding the highs and the lows throughout March and April. So around this sort of 1224 area there is a basis of support, certainly acting as an old pivot. And I think that's where you start to see the decent support coming in. I think between 1224 1234 effectively, I think that's where you're going to see your next buy signal on this drift lower, this corrective drift, as it unwinds the momentum indicators on the hourly chart. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you again soon. Thank you.